Is your U.S. citizen spouse refusing to jointly remove the conditions on your temporary green card? If this is you, listen on. My name is Ifeoma Odolami. I am an immigration attorney with the Odolami Law Firm. My firm services clients in all 50 states of the United States. And today I want to tell you that you do not need your spouse to jointly file to remove the conditions on your temporary green card. There are 4 waivers that allow you to do it on your own. So the first waiver is if you're being battered or abused by your U.S. citizen spouse, or your conditional resident child is being battered or abused by your U.S. citizen spouse, you and your child can file under a waiver of abused spouse or abused child to get your permanent green card. The second waiver is if you are divorced. I have a lot of clients who call me in tears because their U.S. citizen spouse is threatening them with divorce because they think that if they get divorced, they can't get their permanent green card. Today, I'm telling you that that is not something to worry about. If your U.S. citizen spouse is threatening to divorce you, let them go ahead. You can still get your permanent green card. The third waiver requirement is if you would face extreme hardship if you go back to your country. And I'll give you an example. For instance, if there's war going on in your country and going back to your country, going back to a war-torn country would be an extreme hardship on you. You can file to remove the conditions on your temporary green card on your own without your spouse joining you to do that. And the fourth waiver requirement is if your U.S. citizen spouse dies, then you can go ahead and remove the conditions on your temporary green card and get your 10-year permanent green card. So I'm making this video because I want to empower the intending immigrants there, because I get these calls all the time to my office where people are worried and anxious because their U.S. citizen spouse is either threatening them or refusing to file the papers or telling them they're going to call USCIS. And I want you to know that you can qualify to get your temporary, the conditions on your temporary green card removed, and you can get your permanent green card. So if you're if this is you, feel free to call my office. We'll help you. We'll help you get your green card. 973-993-1900.